Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video I just wanna share guys today's trades. Guys, this is so easy, man. You just have to start backtest that shit because man, there's a lot of money to be made in this industry. So I don't know, it's just why people they just don't wanna listen to me when I'm showing this. This is actual value information for about forex. Yeah, it's simple guys, it's simple. Yeah, if we're checking the daily time frame on gold, we see overall we're going up, we are above EMA, and if we're going push pull back, and if you notice guys, we just keep making like low highs and kind of like this triangle or some sort of stuff like that. But anyway, when it's doing like the high lows, that means we're going up. Yeah, that's simple as that. We up on the daily. If we're going on the 4 hour, we as well seeing like we're going up nice and clean. Yeah, so what I'm expecting, obviously, what I'm expecting, for example, when I was here, yeah, what I'm expecting, push, pullback, push, yeah, I was waiting for the pullback and then push, yeah. You guys know what I'm doing. I'm trading the freaking break and retest strategy on the 5 minutes time frame, and if to be more precise, I'm always waiting for the edge low and high and then targeting whoever bias it is, yeah. I just keep it simple, yeah. So let me just explain what my plan it was for today, yeah. So basically either it was to break this one, to come to retest, and then to move to take those highs, yeah. Either my plan initially it was to break, to kind of retest, yeah, but then to make a bounce and then to move back up and then to retest. And obviously if my bias it was up, I was waiting to hit those one. So what actually happened, it was happening very easy. The way how we're seeing guys, let me just take all of that, yeah. It just made nicely, yeah, broke up the Asian lows, broke up, yeah, break the edge low, came back to retest and shows a huge rejection, EMAs, everything nice. It went down. You literally could take here even like some profits as well, but that's not the case, yeah. The case is to take as better quality trades we can, yeah. So if my bias is up, obviously I'm gonna wait for the break and retest of for the Asia high. Either I'm gonna wait to fake below to retest, show me evidence like everything is Gucci right here, yeah. He makes even a lower low, then comes back right here, breaks this high, yeah, comes back to retest this strategy guys, and it's simple as that. You just take like that and you're just moving up. Guys, it's so simple, yeah, it's so simple. You don't need guys to take like 10 or more 10 or more RR. For me it's more than enough just like that. And you see literally it just went here, break and retest. If you didn't get here, it went up, then it came back, yeah, and you could get into this one. But it doesn't really matter guys, because if you're checking right here, yeah, if you're checking right here, it's very nice, it's very nice entry, and it's nothing special that what I'm trading. The only single thing what I'm trading is break and retest strategy guys. Welcome to my YouTube channel, and here is the break and retest strategy. Simple. And if you like those videos, you can subscribe, like it, comment down below what actually you don't understand in my strategy. Just type in the comment what you don't understand in my strategy, and I'm gonna explain. I go like simple steps, but I keep showing you all the time. So after when we took this load for 2 hours, we just can take those arrows up, and to delete those zones, then we done for the Friday, even with the big and huge news. So we Gucci guys. If you like this video, like, subscribe, hit the like button, recommend to your friend who struggles with the strategy, and see you in the next video. See you later. Bye.